Hello. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Yes, also fit and fine. Yes, very good. So, children, good morning and welcome back in your EVS class. Okay? So, children, I know that you all are enjoying and studying at home. Yes, and also giving the online assessment exam. Yes? Okay. So, children, we have in this video, this is the third video of chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is water. We have already done two videos from this chapter. Okay, and what are the things that we have discussed in the previous video? Tell me now, what are the things that we have discussed in this from the chapter in this video? We have discussed why do we need water or why water is important in our life. Yes, and the second one was that sources of water and qualities of water also we have discussed. But in this video, in this third video, we are going to discuss about the uses of water. What we are going to discuss? The uses of water. That means, in another word, we can say that what things can be done from water. What are the things that we can do from water? Okay. So, before starting this topic, I would like to ask you some questions. You will only tell me. Okay. Let's see that how much you know. Then I'll tell you. Okay. Okay. So my question is that tell me that what are the things that we do with water? Only one or 2 points can you say that? What are the things that we do from water? Say yes. Drinking. Very good. You are correct. Drinking. Another one? Cooking. Yes, very correct. So children, I know that you all know that what are the uses of water, but then also I'm going to explain in details that what are the uses of water. Okay? So now, in this topic, the uses of water, we will come to know that all living things need water. All living things need water, children. Yes, we have already discussed in previous now that we all living things need water, and it is very important for us to. It is very important for us. Water is very important for us, as food and air is important for us. Same way, water is also very important for us. Okay. So, animals and plants also need water to live. Like we human beings need water to live, animals and plants also need water to live. Okay. So, children, so water is very useful to us in many ways. Water is very useful for us in many ways. Okay, let's talk about that. What are the things? What are the points in which water is useful for us? Okay. So the first one is for drinking. Okay, the first use of water is drinking. Next one is cooking, for cooking. Third one is for bathing. Okay. Fourth one is for washing clothes. Fifth one is for cleaning. Sixth one is what? For watering plants. Okay, for watering plants. So children, how many points we have discussed? We have discussed 6 points. What are they? For drinking. We all know that when we are thirsty, we drink water so that it will become okay. We drink water when we are thirsty. For cooking also, when our mother is cooking food, she needs some water for that. Yes, for cooking also we need some water. Then coming to the third one is that for bathing. When you go to the bathroom and you want to take a bath, for that also we need water? Yes. So for bathing also we need water. The fourth one is if you want to wash some clothes when it is dirty, we need water to wash it. If anything, if your car is dirty, we need water to wash it and make it clean. If our floors are dirty, we need water to clean our homes also. Yes. If you plant a plant in the garden and you don't put water to them, if you don't give water to the plants, it will die. So to make it grow, we need to give water to the plants, then only they will grow. Yes, similarly, there is many things that we need water. For example, one more important thing we need water. What is that? You all know? I'll tell you. See, when you have seen that in some buildings or anywhere there is a lot of fire, when there's a lot of fire, suppose in the house it has catch a fire, how to put that fire off? How to put it? We will call a fire brigade. We will call a fire brigade. And this also we have read in the second chapter now, that firefighters are coming with a big tank full of water, and they hose the water pipes and put out the fire. You have read now? Yes. So water is also used to put out fires. So nowadays I want to say that all the things that water in our life is very important. We cannot live without water. Yes, we cannot live without water. As food and air is very important for us, similarly water is also very important for us. There are many ways for the use. There are many useful ways of water. They are drinking, for cooking, for cleaning, for bathing, for washing clothes, and for watering plants. Clear, children? These are the ways of uses of water. Have you got it? Now everyone, come on, take out your EVS course book and let's read from the chapter what is given in the uses of water. Okay, now come on, take out your EVS course book, everyone. Children, I hope everyone has take out page number 49 and the topic is uses of water. See, what are the different ways given for the uses of water? The first picture you can see there is a girl. She is drinking a water. We use water for many things. I have already discussed, now children, that we use water for many things. The first way is that we use water for drinking. Yes, we need water for drinking. We should always drink clean water. We should always drink clean water. We should not drink dirty water. Yes, you all know that. The second picture, it shows that we use water for cooking. Yes, see the picture. This man is cooking something in the gas stove, and he is cooking and he also needs water for cooking. So water is also used for cooking. Okay. The third picture you can see this small little boy is enjoying in bathing. So for bathing, what do we need? We need water. So we use water for bathing. Okay. Next picture you can see is that this boy is also cleaning the floor, and what is there? You can see now this bluish. This is water. So we use water for cleaning also. If something is dirty, you can clean it with water. Okay. Next picture is this lady. What is this lady doing? Suppose if your many clothes is dirty, what your mother do? She washed all the clothes in the washing machine, and for washing the clothes, what is the most important thing we need? Water. Yes. So we use water for washing clothes. So it is used. Okay. Next one is this small little boy. What he is doing? See what he is doing. This boy is also watering plants and trees. But we use water for watering plants and trees. See, this small boy is enjoying in watering plants. Yes? Yes. So plants also need water. They cannot live without water. If you don't give water to the plants, they will die. Okay, children? So these are the points in which what are the uses of water, in which water is used for drinking, for cooking, for bathing, for cleaning, for washing clothes, and for watering plants and trees. These are the ways in which water is used. Okay, children? Now Everyone, come on, take out your EVS course copy and we will discuss some of the classwork. We will talk about the classwork. Okay, this is the classwork time. Now, children, take out your EVS copy. See what is the classwork. The classwork is that you will put, first of all, you will put the today's date. Okay, write on the top classwork, chapter 6, water. Okay, children. And what is the question? What we are going to do today? The classwork part. Write 5 uses of water. We have already discussed now the uses of water. So now we will write down in their copies. We use water for many ways. Number 1, for drinking, for cooking. Number 3, for bathing. Number 4, for cleaning. And number 5, for washing our clothes. So these are the 5 points in which water is used, or what are the things in which we use water. So every student should copy this, all the 5 points, 5 uses of water, why water is what is the use of water. Everyone, come on, copy down in your EVS classwork copy. Yes, children, take your own time and copy fast. I hope write, and everyone should write in a good handwriting, neat and clean work. Yes, very good. Now, children, it's a homework time. Let's do some homework. And I know that you all love in coloring and drawing. Yes, you all love coloring and drawing, children. Yes, very good. So, the homework is very interesting. You have to draw, or you can paste 1 uses of water in your copy and name it. Understood what is the homework? Yes, you can also draw or you can paste. You can draw. If you love drawing, you can draw. If you want to paste a picture, okay, you can paste the picture of 1 uses of water in your copy and name it. Suppose you are drawing a girl and she is drinking water. Okay, you will make one girl and the use of water that she is drinking. So you will write there drinking. If you are drawing a picture like the boy is bathing in the bathroom, you draw with the photo of the boy. Show it that the boy is bathing, okay, and write there bathing. If you are drawing a picture of a boy, he is watering plants, then you will write there watering plants. Okay, same way you all will draw 1 picture only. You have to draw in your EVS classwork copy. Understood, children? Okay, write the heading, what is the homework, and everyone will draw it. Okay, as soon as the school will reopen, we will see it. Okay, now? Okay, children, for today, this much. We will again meet very soon with the very next topic. Okay, now? Okay, children, do your homework very sincerely. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.